Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from Whispernode here. Sentinel community. Today I want to walk you through how to swap your ERC-20 cent tokens for the Cøsmos base cent tokens. So let's go through that from start to finish right now. We're going to be using the Cent wallet right now. Later on I'll do a tutorial when the ledger capability comes out. So let's get into it. All right, first thing we're going to do is install the Sentinel native wallet here. Johnny Cøsmos did an awesome guide here. You can see. First thing, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to download that. Note here that I did use this top download here, the zip file, and that does not work. It gives you an error. I could not get around that, so I'm going to use this DMG file alternate download here. So I'm going to download that real quick. All right, looks like that download is done, and now it is opening that DMG file. All right, so when that pops up, I'm just going to drag that to my applications folder. I had a previous instance there, so I'm just going to replace that. Looks like that was done. So I'm going to search for the Sentinel application and open that up here. It's going to pop up and ask me if I'm sure I want to open it. Click open. All right, the password here, you're going to have to enter it each time you open the Sentinel app, is admin. So I'm just going to enter that in, click login. I'm going to configure, just leave this like it is for now. Click save. You're going to enter an account name and password. So I'm just going to do a test real quick here. So I'm going to do Whispernode, and I'll do Sentinel Frogs. And enter a mnemonic. And there's my mnemonic here. Don't share that with anyone. I'm doing it on this tutorial just to show you guys how to do this. So if you do download it to your computer, I recommend moving it somewhere else, like an external hard drive, and keeping that hard drive out of reach, or writing it down on a something that's not going to get damaged by water or catch on fire or something like that. Keep this mnemonic safe, guys. Also remember your public address here. So I'm just going to take a quick screenshot of this and click continue. I've secured that seed. And there we go. So now I have my Sentinel wallet all hooked up here, ready to go. You can see the validators that are online already here. So now I want to swap my ERC-20 tokens to this address. So next thing I'm going to do is go to the swap guide here that was just put out. Make sure that I meet these prerequisites, that I have MetaMask, I have my Cent tokens in there, the ERC-20 versions, that I have ETH in there to pay for the ETH fees, and then I've already created the wallet on the Sentinel app. So I have done that. It's going to tell me to go to the Sentinel swap portal. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to click connect wallet. Select my MetaMask wallet here. And click next. All right. Now I'm going to enter my Sentinel wallet number. Now, I'm going to enter my Sentinel address in this Mainnet tokens receiving address. That address is always going to start with cent. And I'm just going to copy that from the Cent app here and paste it here. When the ledger guide is out in a couple weeks, whatever it may be, that address is going to look very similar. And it's going to be generated on your ledger. And I'll show you how to do that. So you can see here, I can choose the amount of cent tokens I want to swap from my MetaMask wallet. So I'm just going to do one right now for this tutorial and just show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to click Initiate. I'm going to get a pop-up on my MetaMask. It's going to ask me to allow the application to spend cent. I'm going to confirm that. Cost about $11 in ETH. I'll bite the bullet for this tutorial for you guys. All right, once that's a success, I'm going to see this message right here, and I'm going to now get another pop-up in my MetaMask to actually perform the transaction, which is going to be burning that one Sentinel that I put in there for Mainnet cent tokens. So you can see I got a gas fee here of about $18, so $11 before, $18 now, about $30, give or take. I'm going to confirm that once again, get my transaction hash, and it's just going to wait for a minute to process. All right, and now I have a success message here as well. And that should be it, guys. So that is the swap tutorial. If I go back to my wallet, I will not see anything in my balance just quite yet. You will see it on the 27th when the network goes live. So again, you can perform the swap now. You'll get your tokens on March 27th, or you can wait until after the 27th and do it. Totally up to you guys, but I know how these swap mechanisms work. I know that your tokens are not in danger as long as you remember the sent address you've sent them to. So remember that address, remember that mnemonic, and you should be all set. And let's get ready for this Cøsmos launch, guys. Peace out.